Hello everyone, I am so excited that you've decided to join me today. I'm going to teach you one of my favourite dances. So jump up and find a space and we'll get started. So to start off, can we stand in our beautiful first positions and our arms in bra. And we are going to start off with our floaty arms. So we are going to do one to the side and in, to the other side and in, and then we are going to make a big circle all the way up and out. Well done everybody, good job. And then can we hold on to our skirts if you're wearing skirts, and if not, can you pop your hands on your hips, and we are going to point our toe to the side, bend our knees and point, bend our knees and point, and then can you turn all the way around on your tippy toes. That's it everybody, good job. And then from there we are going to do some lovely sways. So can you sway your arms down below as we bend our knees? And to the other side. And then can you go all the way to the top? And back. And then we have our bend and point again. So bend and point to the side. Bend and point to the side. And turn all the way around on your tippy toes. That's it everybody, good job. Okay, I think we can try that with some music. Okay everybody, let's start off by turning all the way around on our tippy toes. And landing first position. Beautiful everyone. And arms all the way up to the sky. And out. And can we bend and point? Bend and point, turn all the way around. Good job everybody, now let's sway to the side and the other side and all the way up to the sky and the other way. Now for our bend and point and the other side and turning all the way around again. Well done everyone, that was so beautiful. Okay, let's carry on. From there, I want you to reach all the way up to the sky, and then we are going to have twinkly fingers all the way down, and then to the other side, and twinkly fingers, and then can you do both hands up to the sky? That's it, good job. And now let's do a big circle with our arms again as we bend our knees. That's it, well done everybody. And then we are going to do that again. So ready, let's reach to the sky and twinkly fingers and to the other side. And both hands all the way down and a big circle. That's it boys and girls, well done. Okay, from there, can you give yourself a big hug as you sway side to side? Now, if there is somebody else in your room and you want to give them a big hug, you can do that. But if not, just give yourself a big hug and sway side to side. Good job, everybody. Well done. Okay, let's try it from the very beginning up to there with some music. Starting with a turn all the way around on our tippy toes. Well done everybody, and with our arms. Beautiful boys and girls, well done. And down, ready for our bend and point. And the other side. And turn on our tippy toes. That's it, ready to sway to the side. Lovely soft arms. That's it everybody, good job. Bend and point, and the other side, and turn all the way around on our toes. Ready to reach to the sky, and twinkly fingers. Good job everybody. And a big circle. One more time. Can you make it bigger this time? Both hands. hug someone else in your room and sway side to side. That's it, everyone. Now can you reach your hands all the way down? Nice and slowly. That's it. Now can we do some pliés, everybody? Well done. And turn on your tippy toes. And finish off with a pose. That was amazing, boys and girls. Well done. Okay, I think we can do it one more time from the beginning. And this time, can we look at our twinkly fingers as they float down in the sky, just like the floating lanterns? And can you make sure you have your biggest princess or prince smiles? Well done, everyone. Okay, let's try it from the beginning. Okay, everybody, turning around on your tippy toes. And all the way up. That's it, to the side. And the other side. Turning around on your tippy toes. Now ready for our sways. That's it, well done, everybody. Beautiful. And then bend and point. And turning on our tippy toes. Ready to reach them lanterns. And the other side. Both arms. And make it even bigger this time. Really reach. That's it, well done, everyone. Now give yourselves a big hug as you sway side to side. That's it, everyone. Now reach your arms all the way down. And hold your skirts or hands on your waist. And we plie and plie. Well done, everybody. Turning around on your tippy toes. And a beautiful pose to finish. That was so beautiful, everyone. Okay, let's do it one more time. joining me today, everybody. Well done, you did such beautiful dancing. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below of any dances you'd like me to do in the future for you. Hopefully I'll see you all again soon. Bye!